we're gonna make that today. For our fruit salad, the recipe calls for 7 oranges. I don't have 7, I have 5. So we're gonna go with that. You're gonna cut these up. We're gonna cut up the kiwis and cut up about 3 pounds of strawberries. This may be a little bit, this is 2 pounds, so I'm a little shy on some of the fruit, but listen, we're gonna go with it. I'm not going out to the store to buy another pound of strawberries and 2 oranges. It'll be okay. And we're gonna prep all the fruit, and then right before we serve, we're gonna add the honey, the lime juice, some sea salt, and some mint. It sounds so delicious. I'm gonna start with my strawberries. Strawberries are cut. I'm gonna move on to my oranges. Our oranges are now all cut up. Move on to my kiwis. All right, our fruit is all cut up. I feel like the colors alone in this fruit salad look incredible. I'm just gonna give it a light toss, and then we are gonna stick it in the fridge until it's time to serve, and I'm gonna be having this with our dinner tonight. Doesn't that look incredible? Okay, we'll be back a little bit later and add the rest. We're getting ready to eat, so I'm gonna finish off our fruit salad. Mr. Old Man. About 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Then a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed limes. So I'm gonna do about 3 limes. Oh boy, I have a very old dog that doesn't know his manners when it comes to food anymore. 2 teaspoons of chopped mint. Mint going in. And then the recipe specifically says not to skip this, but about a teaspoon of flaky sea salt. So I'm gonna do just about that. Okay, so there's the fruit salad. It looks so good. A little bit of each fruit. Yum. Oh wow. That is very good. This is so good. I think I need to get myself a little dish and dig in. I highly recommend making a Chris Cooks from, Chris Loves Julia website. Under Chris Cooks, there's this recipe for this fruit salad. It is delicious, great for the summer, very refreshing.